So on my previous video, when I put new tires on the Polaris Ranger, I'll put a link up to it, I guess over here. I'll put a link up to it over here. And when I was looking at that video online, I noticed something. When I was looking at that video online, I noticed something really wrong. And I put a comment in there to see if anybody else would notice it or not, and nobody seemed to comment on it. But what I noticed is when I was looking at the side-by-side, when you look at it here, there's something really wrong about that tire. And I noticed it when I looked at the video. And so it's on backwards. That tire, which is on the driver's side, should be on the passenger side. And the passenger side tire should be over here. And you can really tell because there's usually a directional arrow on the tires that tell you which direction it's supposed to go. I'm trying to see if I can see the arrow on this one. I know it'll be on here somewhere. Here it is. It says right here, the arrow says which direction it's supposed to go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pointing this direction. And that's not the direction the tires are running. The tires are running backwards. So it needs to be pointing this direction. So as the tire spins, it goes that direction. So it's backwards. So I'm going to take this tire off and the other one and swap them to the other side. I won't make you guys watch that. I don't think you need to see it again. You can go check it out on the other video. So I'm going to do that real quick. Get that done. Alright, I changed the tires around. Now the tread is running the right direction. So that's that on that side. And that's that one on that side. So now maybe we're done. So now maybe we're done with the tires on the Polaris Ranger for a while.